Would you like to remove or install the cargo cover in your Audi, but you are not sure how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to remove the cargo cover in your Audi and also how to place it back again. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Open the rear hatch of your Audi. Retract the cargo cover. At the end of the cargo cover on the right side you will find the release pin to unlock the cargo cover. Click in the release pin. You can now gently lift the cargo cover up and by simply giving it a small turn towards the window you can gently pull the cargo cover out. Would you like to place the cargo cover back again? Lift the cargo cover and as you bring it into the car, give it a small turn towards the window. First place the left side back in the holder and then the right side. Check carefully whether the right side is reattached to the pin. You can now pull out the cover and install it back into the luggage rails. You're now set to go. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.